Hey friends, this is our math page for today. All right, number 1 says circle 11 in each group. So we're just going to count to 11. We're going to count until we circle 11 kitty cats. All right, make sure you do a nice and neat circle so that you can keep up with how many you've circled, right? All right, so watch Miss Hendry. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I'm not going to circle these two because I just said 11, and that means that I have circled 11. Let's count and make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 cats. Now we're going to circle 11 balls of yarn for the kitty cats. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Good. 11 balls of yarn. All right. Now we're going to practice writing the number 4, and it's going to be in your upstairs and your downstairs. Down and over and down some more. That's the way we write a 4. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4 hens, and our clock is showing 4. Good. All right. Ready? Down and over and down some more. That's the way we write a 4. Down and over and down some more. 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 That's the way we write a 4. Good. Flip it over on the back. Now this next part says write the number your teacher says. All right. And so in this first box right here, I want you to write the number 2. 2. 1, 2. Write the number 2. All right. So if we're writing the number 2, make a candy cane and give it a shoe. That's the way we write a 2. I'm going to write it over here big. Make a candy cane, give it a shoe. That's the way we write a 2. All right, down here in this box, let's write a 4. We just did that one. A 4. Ready? Down and over and down some more. That's the way we write a 4. Down and over and down some more. That's the way we write a 4. All right. Now let's write a 1. A 1 right here in this box. A 1. Ready? A pull down. That's what it's going to look like. It's a pull down. All right. And then in this last box right here, let's write the number 3. Ready? Around and around, just like a bee. That's the way you make a 3. Some of you may know what the letter B looks like. It's a pull down with a hump and a hump. That is a B. Now, but look at this. If I erase this part, watch what Miss Hendry's going to do. What number is that? So that's why when I say around and around, just like a bee, that's the way you make a 3. Good. All right. Color the shirt on the left green and color the shirt on the right red. All right. So first of all, hold up both of your hands. Put your pencil down for a second. Hold up both of your hands. The one on the left is when you hold up your hands, your left hand is going to make the letter L just like this with your finger, your big finger and your thumb. So if I have fingers like this is going to be my left hand because look at this right here. It makes an L. And this one over here does not because this is not an L. That's backwards, right? But this one over here makes an L because when I hold up my hand, it's making an L shape right there, right, with my thumb and my pointer finger. All right, so I'm going to erase this, and then that is something you're going to do. The person on the left is going to have his shirt colored green. The person on the right is going to be red. All right, and then down here, down and over and down some more. 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 That's the way you make a 4. Love you guys so, so much. Love you guys. Bye.